Hello everyone, welcome to a day in my life as a software engineer at Alfagift, Indonesia. Today, I arrived super early, getting to the office around 7 in the morning. Usually, I roll in by about 8 am, but today, I decided to kickstart my day early just for this vlog. My office is located in a building called Alpha Tower, situated in Alam Sutra, Tangerang City. My office is up on the 29th floor. After unpacking my stuff, sometimes I head downstairs to grab a cup of coffee. While waiting for 8 am, I dive into some side projects or learning new things related to my field. Around 8 am, I head back up, and as you can see, more people have started pouring in. And that's when my workday officially begins. Here, I worked as an iOS software engineer, focusing mainly on developing the Alfagift iOS app. Besides coding, my day includes daily stand-ups, project meetings with other teams, documentation, research, and even a bit of googling. During lunch break, before grabbing my meal, I usually perform my Zuhr prayers as a Muslim, and around 3 p.m. I make time for my Asr prayers too. After that, it's food time. I head down to the canteen to grab a bite and then return to my desk.
Si Pak Iwan udah Pak?
Post lunch, it's mostly coding until it's time to wrap up around 5 in the evening. That's a glimpse into my life as a software engineer. Thanks for watching and see ya.